Okay, now we're going to work in the back loop. So I chained one and I turned my work. I just have a row of single crochets. And so the first loop in front of me is the front, and the one furthest away from me is in the back. So you're going to insert your hook into the back loop only and work your single crochets. And now you can see that the ridge, when I'm working in the back, is going to be in the front of my work and the opposite of the front loop when it was in the back. It just kind of pushes that front loop forward. In the back loop only. Okay, so there's the front with a little ridge, turn it over, and it's flat on that side. And that's the back loop only. Doesn't matter what stitch you're using, single, half double, double, it's all done the same way. You just work either in the front or the back loop.